Hey guys, Kristopher Phillips here, co-owner of Absolute Comfort Heating and Cooling, and of course, the Mustache Man. And if anyone knows about protecting a good stash, it's me. That's why we created the Absolute Stache-Surance Plan, to help protect your home comfort and your wallet all year long. For just $15.95 a month, you get 2 comprehensive system groomings every year. We inspect, clean, test, and optimize your system to help catch small problems before they become expensive repairs. If something does go wrong, Stache-Surance members get $0 diagnostic fees even on weekends, plus 20% off HVAC repairs. And when Utah gets really hot or freezing cold, you get VIP Stache Status, which means priority scheduling when you need us most. It's real savings, priority service, and peace of mind for just $15.95 a month. So take it from the Mustache Man. Protect your comfort with Stache-Surance. One plan, total protection, absolute comfort. Give us a call today and join the Stache-Surance family. Absolute comfort, absolute care for your home's comfort.
Absolute comfort, absolute care for your home's comfort.